Dell Optiplex 3040 mini tower desktop. The problem was fan no spin good, overheating. I'm gonna run slow, so si I'm losing me open mom up. Milo put new thermal paste running over something. Fan was fixed and repaired. Everything was repaired. The PC is back to normal. It's now fully programmed with Windows 10 operating system. All other basic softwares blame. I'm ready now. Lo go back client. So yeah, thank you for always trusting us. Shop 57 Unity Mall.